arrived here in Stansted, ready for our trip. Get great company here. So we just got to Copenhagen, just in our hotel now. I'll show you the room in a second. Very nice. We got the train in from the airport. It was like literally about 9 or 10 minutes. It was about £4. And then from the station, our hotel room is only like 5-minute walk, so I think we lucked out on this one. But I'll show you the room reveal. Hello, ladies. Hello.
Hi there.
Show your room.
We need to tell us if we're recording. I don't know whether we're recording or not.
Already, it's not very Danish. I actually come from Australia, but I've been living here in Copenhagen for the last 17 years, so I know more about Copenhagen and Denmark than all my Danish friends put together. But I'd like to know where you folks are from. Let's start over here. Where are you from? New York, that's not a bad place either. Italy, well, buongiorno, and we are going to be picking on the Italians today. Welcome, ladies, and you guys?
Ireland.
Ireland, we love Ireland. Oh, we have to talk as we go.
So we're just on the free walking tour of Copenhagen. How are you feeling?
Frozen. Cold.
Very cold. I'm pretending that there's something in this. It's absolutely freezing. Very good tour, I would recommend. And bring a few layers. Yeah. We're going on a hike here.
You guys, look, come around to my place tonight. We'll have a bit of hygge. Usually involves alcohol too, by the way. But hyggelig can mean lots of different things. It can mean cosy, it can mean bonding, it can mean coming together. So hyggelig, a very important word. So maybe when you're looking for a cafe or a bar or something, try to find yourself a nice hyggelig place. Something with candlelight, something with low, soft furniture and things like that. So hyggelig, very important word. Or you could also use the word gezellig. Okay. Yeah. Yes, for the Dutch people, gezellig. Yeah. Now, if you're going to have a drink here in Denmark, when you're having a drink in your country, you might raise your glass, you might go slointje, you might go prost, you might go cheers. Here in Denmark, though, when you're having a drink, you raise your glass, you look at each other, and you all go skål. Okay?
Skål.
Skål gets its name from the Vikings because when the Vikings would chop off their victim's head, they would use the skull as a drinking cup. I mean, they weren't animals, though. They weren't savages. They'd wash it out first. Yeah, they weren't sick. Now, you're probably going to be drinking beer. Beer is such a simple word. It's a 2-letter word. It's an O with a slash through it and an L. And in Danish, that's pronounced øl. Can you all do that one? Øl. It's nearly the same noise you make when you've had too much to drink and it's all coming back again. Oh. But you also need to say thank you for that beer. And saying thank you in Danish, very simple word. It's a 3-letter word and spelled T-A-K. And in Danish, that is pronounced tak. So when you want to say thank you in Danish, just say tak, and the Danish people appreciate it.
Absolutely freezing. We just had a break there a few minutes ago and got some hot chocolate to try and warm up, but it's still freezing. It's a really good tour. It starts from the city hall. I'll show you where it starts. And it's a 3-hour free tour, so with our guide from Australia. And later on a bit more.
Okay, folks, now this area here, this is what they call Amelia Hao. Translated, that means...
Just going to have a look inside this lovely church. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Going to head down to the Little Mermaid. Apparently it's the second most disappointing place for Monument of the World. Our tour guide said that the first one is a mannequin piss in Brussels that I've seen already, so I might as well see the second one. So So we're just going up to the statue of the Little Mermaid. Seems to be a big tourist attraction. Seems to be a lot of crowd down here. If I haven't mentioned before, it's still Baltic. Little Mermaid. I just remembered I saw one in Vancouver. We were doing Stanley Park. Saw a smaller version there. So 2 in the year. Noticed we needed to make a quick stop in H&M to get some gloves. Oh my god. We were after, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it was a bit cold on the walk. So little stop at H&M. Oh, I cannot describe how happy I am right now. Just your standard day in Copenhagen. Casual. I think this is probably the main shopping street. I think the place here, Illum, if I'm saying that right, has like a rooftop bar at the top. I think we'll only go up there if it's heated outdoor patio. Rooftop Illum. There's like bars, restaurants and things. I think it's just a bit too cold to sit out, but it's pretty cool. I think at night it'll be pretty cool too. Here, Bar Jacobson, the top of Illum rooftop. Cheers! Cheers! Can't remember the word for cheers in Danish. We learned it on the tour, but can't really remember. Sláinte.
Skull.
Oh, skull, yeah. Skull. Skull. So just heading back to our hotel for a little maybe siesta and get ready for the night. We're staying really near Tivoli Gardens and the amusement park. It's got, I think, the oldest, or second oldest roller coaster in Europe, I think. We're going to head there tomorrow, have a look around the markets and things. So after some 20,000 steps, went back to our hotel and freshened up, and we're ready for the night.